In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell items on the Steam market. First, open the Steam client on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the window and click your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select Inventory. This is where all your items from different games are stored, and it's where you'll choose what to sell. Inside your inventory, you'll see categories for each game. Pick the game that contains the item you want to sell. Not every item can be sold, so look for items marked as marketable. Click the item to open its details. Here you'll see a preview and, most importantly, the option to sell. Click the Sell button to start creating your listing. Next, you'll set your price. Steam helps by showing suggested market rates and a quick view of recent sale prices, which can give you a sense of what buyers are currently paying. You'll notice two numbers as you enter a price, the amount the buyer will pay and the amount you'll receive after Steam's fees are deducted. This fee is automatically calculated, so you don't have to do the math yourself. If you want a specific payout, you can adjust the fields until the net amount matches your goal. Take a moment to consider pricing competitively. Undercutting slightly can help your item sell faster, while pricing at the average can preserve more value if you're not in a rush. When you're satisfied with the price, confirm the listing by clicking OK, put it up for sale. For your security, Steam may ask you to confirm the listing through the Steam mobile app. If prompted, open the app on your phone, go to the confirmation section, and approve the sale. This protects your account and speeds up the listing process. If you don't confirm, the listing won't go live. After you've confirmed, your item moves from your inventory into a pending listing and appears on the community market under your listings. You can check its status there, see how it compares to other listings, and keep an eye on how quickly similar items are selling. If you change your mind or want to adjust the price later, you can cancel the listing and create a new one with updated pricing. When your item sells, you'll receive the proceeds in your Steam wallet automatically. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.